Having a chronic illness is stressful because most chronic illnesses are invisible. No one physically can see what you're going through, what you're dealing with. By the time I was diagnosed with endometriosis, I didn't have abdominal cramps. I had extreme, excruciating leg pain. The stress led me to actually pulling out my hair. That was when I realized that carrying stress manifests into other things, so I had to find other ways to deal with my stress. I absolutely love my adult coloring book, and I love ones that have affirmations. Like this says, I am on cloud 9. Another self-care item is my gratitude jar. It helps me reflect on positive things. It makes me focus on things that I love. I absolutely love my journal. I'm able to write down how my menstrual cycle is for that month so that when I go to my physician, I am able to speak to him specifically, and it also helps me express emotionally how I felt during that time. These are my 2 favorite books that I keep with me when I am in a really dark place. These get me through those tough times. This is my heating pad. I can travel with it. I can actually wrap it around my leg as well as my abdomen when I'm experiencing pain. I can heat this up in the microwave, and I can also put this in the freezer, and I love the fact that it is multi-purpose. I suggest these essential things for stress relief because they have helped me along the way. I, at times, would be short-tempered. Once I added stress relief into my life, then I was able to release those thoughts and tensions. I didn't let the pain that was associated with my condition to overpower my thoughts. Just as important as it is to see a physician, finding ways and tactics to help relieve your stress is just as important too.